3, 2, 1.
Woohoo! We got a slab on grade to pour. Promise I'm gonna keep it coming, and I'm gonna get better with these videos as I go. Just stick with me, and let's keep it rolling. Certified Concrete Chronicles, baby. Today, we are doing a pour and finish. I did not form any of this or prep any of this. This is for a contractor. We're waiting for mud right now. When mud comes, it's ready to rock and roll, baby. Fuck, man, it's hot. Fuck, man. I gotta take this shirt off. It's getting too hot out. You're gonna be on the video today, Bobby. You're gonna be YouTube famous today, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Charlie.
Yes, sir.
I mean, need you.
All right, sir.
Hello.
Nice.
I'm still there chopping the wet mud before you come over here with the fucking camera. Isn't it?
I know.
Just make things harder for me.
What the hell are you talking about to me?
You got them, boy. You've been riding.
I love you.
I hate them.
You hate me. I hate you too, motherfucker. Fucking motherfucker. Fucking motherfucker. This is how we do it, baby. We dump out trucks like rodeo cowboys around here. There you go, Bill. Yeehaw, baby. Yeehaw, baby. Good job on that edge, Charlie. You make me proud, baby. We're gonna blow her out.
Get some rest of this joint here. So we can bring this up and pop it up.
Just do your thing, baby. I'm right here with you. What you need, baby? Alright, the hole in here, we gotta come down there. Ready, you ready? It's not good.
Beautiful. We're gonna go around.
It's about to rain on us bad, guys. Yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, baby. All right, I'll take the bitch out with the little baby dog. We're gonna keep running down out here. Here comes the rain. We ain't scared of a little rain. Oh, we need more. Yeah. But let's see, hold on. We don't have to rush.
That's probably Adam calling him in this one much. We got enough here, yeah? We got enough here.
We got enough here. I don't know if we have enough in the hole. Hold on, let's see.
Yeah, this is perfect. We're just about ready to walk through the here. We're good. We're good. Thanks, man.
Hold up. We need a little more, see?
Need some over there, Cody?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
I'm gonna need a little bit over here. Yeah, we're low over here. Starting right here. Just Paquito over here. 1, 2, 3. Alright, that might be damn near motherfucking it. Once we scrape this out the side here. Alright. Bring it on home. Bring it on home, John B. I got a little bit of hose.
When the sunshine and rain, you sweat.
I got sunshine on a cloudy day when it's cold outside. I got the month of May, you know I do. I got to say, what could make me feel this way, my girl? Actually, I should have my own remix and say Steve Wiener. His name is Steve Wiener. Oops, sorry.
Yes, sir. Hey, don't
No, it's not. I covered somebody's hose with some cemento.
What?
What? I'm putting it in the dirt. It's not good enough for you, Charlie? Then you bring me a bucket. Hey, you bring me a bucket and I'll put it in a bucket for you. How about that? You needy little asshole.
John said this is the low spot of the property.
So
If it rain, this turns into a lake.
so you kind of want to leave it a little high, huh?
So yeah, and I'm thinking too, I mean, if it rains, then what?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we're fucked.
Yeah. Flood the water doesn't come out of here.
Yeah, it's just gonna sit here and
Stay there until
you get trout in and evaporate.
Sunday when it evaporates.
It'll still be flat. It'll be flat, I mean, anyway.
Rain will knock it right down.
Yeah, it'll be flat. It just won't have a nice finish on it, but it really, for what you're using it for, doesn't really fucking matter.
It'll be slick in a week anyway.
Yeah, dog, they're just driving machinery over it, running a box blade over it, loading sand. Oh, this felt like a fucking fire hose for a minute, look. Fucker's got some pressure on it. Goddamn, Billy, this fucker's got some pressure on her. Slab is poured. We're on to the finishing now, guys. I gotta get changed out and take a little break. So hot. And wouldn't you know it, it's freaking raining outside, guys. So everybody's hunkered down in their vehicles. I'm gonna partake in a little joint 30. Even though it's only 2:48, it's always 4:20 somewhere. So we'll get back to it once this rain clears. Oh me, oh my, goodness gracious. It's a swamp. Ay, ay, ay. We'll have to get this water pushed out, guys. They're draining the water out now with some pumps. This water is gonna get drained out and we're gonna cream up the surface again and get her finished. You'll see how it's done. This is how you fix a rain out. This shit got poured on, guys. I'm talking slammed. This got completely poured on, but we're gonna fix it like nothing happened. We're gonna fix it like absolutely nothing happened. You're gonna see this floor look beautiful. Even though it's torrential downpoured on this job. A little bit of rain don't scare us, baby. No siree. Not even a lot of rain. A little rain, a lot of rain. You son of a bitch. Steve's mad at me, guys. He wants his fair share of the money. Ain't that right, Steve? I said Steve's mad at me, guys. He wants his fair share of his money.
All that fucking money getting out here? You double dip?
That's how you gotta live out here in an economy that's so
yeah, thanks,
tainted.
Thanks, Joe Biden. Right there.
Yes.
FJB, motherfucker. Right, Larry?
Say yes.
Say yes, Larry.
Scraping all this cream to my edge. And then I run my line, bam, bam, bam. Like bum diddy dum da dum da dum dum. Nice, baby. Yes, sir. Rain who, bitch? Rain, bitch, what? We don't give a fuck about the rain. You are not supposed to trowel this water into the slab though, guys, but what are you gonna do? You know what I mean? You're not supposed to trowel water into a slab, you know, but in a situation like this, you know, we can squeegee the water off, but there's pumps pumping out the water. It's got nowhere to go, and we gotta just lay it down one time. So we're getting this, he's getting this out of here. Charlie, you don't want to squeegee some of this? It's only being used for a loading facility for their dirt and sand, so it doesn't need to be beautiful. Thankfully, I get my rough edge in, just get my line, and then I can run it right out. And for a guy like me, it only takes me one pass. If you can see, it only takes me one pass. Because I'm just a badass, crazy badass motherfucker like that. And I do not roll my edge. I keep my, you know, I keep my edge flat. Let me mind you, this just got rained on. It's super aggregate. We had to work out this cream. Wherever there's a little too much sand, I'm stealing some cream and I add a little cream in it. I'm looking forward to. That was an epic fail. If you know, you know. But I was trying to grab my cream and move it somewhere and it didn't go where I wanted it to go. Okay. Whew. Looking good, Charlie. Keep it up and I'll give you a raise. In the near future. In the very near future. Ah, man, that sandy stuff. Yeah. I'm keeping the trowel flat, guys. You don't want to cock it up like that. You know, you want to keep her nice and flat. And keep it as creamy as you can until you just can't keep it no creamy no more. Looking good, Steve. Looking good, Steve.
Get out of the way, bitch.
Bobby! you fix the rain out, boys. You fix the rain out like nothing happened. That's how it's supposed to be done. Now, if it were to continue to keep raining, that's a different story. Then we cover it up and save it when it's done raining, or if you can't save it, it's over with. You gotta do a grind and a resurface. A lot of guys will say you gotta tear it out, but that's not necessarily true.
You see how I'm matching the next line to the next line that's going on the other side where I stopped it?
And where you
and I'm
stop.
stopping it?
That's professional right there,
That makes
baby.
it look fucking nice. Not bullshit, choppy chop chop chop.
Here, there, here, there, here, there. I like it. That's what I try to do.
Yeah, that's what you always try to do.
I recorded it.
Recorded it. Hey,
Not a dime. Despite a little rain, we are almost broomed out, guys. Got the job done. Got the job done. Got the job done. Another day, another dollar, right, boss?
Yep, that's right.
Certified Concrete Chronicles. Another day, another dollar.
And at the end of the fucking video, he says, "Oh, everybody gets along when everything's done."
I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Till the next time.